Alright, the manual, the service manual says when replacing this roller to take off this screw, and in doing so you got to hold the nut to do it. It's kind of hard to even see it in there. Trying to get an open end wrench in there is uneasy, and finding one that fits. So what I do most of the time is I'll take this off and take that whole assembly and get it up out of the way. I'll take Allen keys and pull both of these off, and then I'll take off all these screws. This one, this one, this one, that one, that one, that one. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on both sides. Then I'll loosen these two in the back here. That'll allow this, once all that stuff's off, to pull out some, given enough space to actually push this off to one side and get one side out and pull out the other side. If you take these out, look at those directions in the manual, because you want to make sure you get these back the same way that you took them out in. It's hard to see this way. Take a photo before you take it apart and make sure you can see everything.